Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to update the firmware of your VIOMI S9 Alpha vacuum robot. So the first thing we're going to do is open up the Xiaomi Home app and then make sure that our robot has been connected to the app. And now click on your robot, that should show up in the app, and then click on the three dots on the top right to open up the robot settings. So now we can scroll down to firmware update and click on it, and here's going to tell you the current version and if it's up to date. So if the version isn't up to date, it's going to ask you to update it, and you can update it from here. And that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps, and make sure to like and subscribe.